Hello friends, this is your friend Taro. Hope you all are safe and sound. Today we are going to see some facts about elephants.
Hello children, are you all ready to listen to me? Come on, let's know some facts about elephants now. Elephants are the largest existing land animals. They have long trunks, large ear flaps, tusks, massive legs, and tough skin. Male elephants are called bulls. Female ones are called cows. Baby elephants are called calves. Elephants eat roots, grasses, fruits, bark, and many more. An adult elephant can consume up to 300 pounds in a day. Elephants are one of the friendliest animals of the wild. They have amazing memory power and greatest eyesight. Elephants are also called gentle giants. Now these adorable animals are endangered. Their numbers are decreasing drastically. Let's be responsible and protect them and support their survival.
Friends, today is World Elephant Day. Hope you all learned some interesting facts along with me. If you like this video, just hit like, share, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.